Why did the tourist bring sunscreen to Montego Bay? Because he didn't want to be mistaken for a lobster at the dinner buffet. Welcome, folks, to the vibrant heart of Jamaica, the lively and spirited Montego Bay. Known to locals as Mo Bay, this city is the island's fourth largest urban area and the capital of St. James Parish, making it a bustling center of activity. Montego Bay's spirit is as warm as its tropical sun and as inviting as its crystal-clear waters. Its appeal stretches far and wide, drawing in tourists from every corner of the globe. It's a city that dances to the beat of reggae, where the air is filled with the aroma of jerk spices, and where the streets buzz with a unique blend of cultures. Here in Montego Bay, we celebrate diversity. The city is a colorful tapestry of communities, each adding its own unique thread to the vibrant fabric of Montego Bay. From the majority population of African descent to the significant East Indian and Chinese communities, every culture has a place and a voice in Montego Bay. And this cultural diversity doesn't just add to the city's lively spirit, it also shapes the wealth of experiences that Montego Bay has to offer. From the sun-soaked beaches where you can laze the day away, to the bustling markets where you can haggle over handcrafted treasures, from the historic sites that tell tales of a bygone era, to the vibrant nightlife that keeps the city awake long after the sun is set, Montego Bay is a city of contrasts, a city of experiences. So whether you're a history buff, a sun worshiper, a foodie, or a party animal, Montego Bay has something for you. And that's what makes this city more than just a beautiful beach town. It's a city with a soul, a city with a story, and a city with a spirit that's as lively as the reggae beats that fill its air. So let's dive in and find out what makes Montego Bay more than just a beautiful beach town. Did you know that Montego Bay was once a bustling sugarcane port? Yes, it wasn't always all about sun, sand, and surf. Before it became a sun-soaked tropical paradise, Montego Bay had a rich history steeped in the sugar industry. A sweet past, if you will, but not without its bitter moments. The city was once a thriving port for sugarcane, a crop that significantly shaped the history and culture of Jamaica. You see, back in the day, vast expanses of sugarcane plantations stretched across the city. Montego Bay was the heart of the sugar industry, its pulse reverberating with the hustle and bustle of workers toiling under the sun, the clatter of machinery, and the constant coming and going of ships laden with the sweet gold. However, the sugar industry was not all sweetness. It was also the backdrop for one of the most significant events in Jamaican history, the Christmas Rebellion of 1831. This was a pivotal uprising led by enslaved Africans who rose against their British oppressors in a courageous fight for freedom. This rebellion, ignited by the fiery spirit of Sam Sharp, a local hero and national freedom fighter, was instrumental in bringing about the abolition of slavery in Jamaica. And so, Montego Bay, this beautiful city that we know today, was molded and shaped by its sugarcane past. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people who transformed a city built on the bittersweet industry of sugar into the vibrant, diverse, and culturally rich paradise we see today. The echoes of its past are still present, subtly woven into the fabric of the city. You can find remnants of the old sugar mills standing tall as proud reminders of the city's sugarcane history. And if you listen closely, you might just hear the whispers of stories told by the wind, rustling through the leaves of the cane fields, carrying tales of courage, resilience, and freedom. So, the next time you enjoy a sweet treat in Montego Bay, remember the city's sugarcane past. From sugarcane port to a modern city, Montego Bay has come a long way, and it's not stopping anytime soon. Picture this. A city that was once a bustling hub for the sugarcane trade now stands tall as a beacon of modernity in the Caribbean. Montego Bay, or Mo Bay as it's fondly referred to, is a city on the move, constantly evolving and embracing the future. Just take a look at the city's skyline. It's a testament to the modernization efforts that have been taking place. You'll find an exciting blend of architectural styles, from charming old-world buildings to sleek modern edifices. And among these stand the grand structures of major international hotel chains. These luxurious accommodations not only offer world-class facilities for tourists, but also contribute significantly to the city's economy, turning Montego Bay into a powerhouse of the hospitality industry. But it's not just the hotel industry that's thriving here. Montego Bay is also home to a number of financial institutions. These organizations play a crucial role in driving the city's economy, providing employment opportunities for the locals and fostering economic growth. The city's financial district is a hive of activity, brimming with energy and dynamism, reflecting Montego Bay's progressive nature. The city's transformation doesn't stop there. Montego Bay is also becoming a hub for technology and innovation. From startups to tech giants, businesses are recognizing the potential of this vibrant city, further contributing to its modern appeal. All these changes and developments are not just about economic growth. They're about improving the quality of life for the people who call Montego Bay home. Better infrastructure, more job opportunities, and a thriving economy. These are just some of the benefits that come with modernization. So, while you're sipping on your cocktail by the beach, remember that Montego Bay is more than just a holiday destination. It's a city that's constantly evolving, striving to be better, and embracing the future with open arms. It's a city that's not just keeping up with the times, but setting the pace for others to follow. Now that we've explored the past and present of Montego Bay, let's talk about what you can actually do here. Montego Bay, affectionately known as Mo Bay, is a melting pot of activities that cater to all types of travelers. If you're a shopper, you're in for a treat. The city is renowned for its duty-free shopping. From high-end luxury items to local crafts, there's a shop for every budget and taste. And remember, the best souvenirs are the ones that tell a story, so don't be shy about haggling for that perfect piece of Jamaica to take home with you. But Mo Bay isn't just about shopping. It's also about the sun, sea, and sand. The beaches here are a dream with crystal-clear waters and powdery white sands. Whether you want to soak up the sun on Doctor's Cave Beach or try your hand at water sports, there's a beach with your name on it. And let's not forget about the food. Montego Bay is a foodie's paradise, offering a smorgasbord of local and international cuisine. From the spicy jerk chicken to the sweet and tangy ackee and saltfish, your taste buds are in for a real Jamaican treat. As the sun sets, Mo Bay transforms into a vibrant party town. The city's nightlife is as diverse as it is vibrant, with everything from reggae clubs to chic lounges. So whether you want to dance the night away to the rhythm of reggae or sip cocktails under the stars, the night is always young in Montego Bay. But more than the shopping, the beaches, the food, and the nightlife, it's the spirit of Mo Bay that truly sets it apart. It's in the infectious laughter of the locals, the rhythm of the reggae music, and the warmth of the Caribbean sun. So whether you're a history buff, a beach bum, a foodie, or a party animal, Montego Bay has something for everyone. Come and create your own unique Montego Bay story. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.